Instructions for creating gold tattoo ink with 4 cups. Step 1. Preparing cups and ink. 1. Prepare 3 or 4 tattoo ink cups. 2. Have the necessary colors, yellow, red, blue, and a dilution solution ready, along with a handheld mixer. Step 2. Mixing in separate cups. Cup 1. Pure yellow, base color. Add 10 drops of yellow into the first cup. This cup acts as the primary base for the gold color. Why it's important: yellow is the foundation of brightness and lightness in gold. Without it, gold loses its essence. Cup 2. Yellow plus red. To warm the tone, add 6 drops of yellow and 2 drops of red into the second cup. Mixing yellow and red adds warmth to the main color, making your gold look more natural. Why it matters: this combination helps balance the orange tones and enrich the gold. It's crucial if the gold appears too dull or flat. Cup 3. Yellow plus red plus a touch of blue for balance. Add 4 drops of yellow, 1 drop of red, and 1 drop of blue to the third cup. Blue balances the warm tones created by yellow and red. This ensures your gold doesn't lean too much toward orange or copper. Why it matters: blue neutralizes excess warmth, but it must be used sparingly to avoid turning the gold green. Cup 4. Optional transparent gold with more dilution. Add 4 drops of yellow, 2 drops of red, and 6 drops of diluting solution to the fourth cup. This cup is used to create a more transparent gold, ideal for details and shading. Why it matters: this mix gives you better control over color intensity, especially in small areas or fine details. Step 3. Creating the final mix from cups. Gradually combine the colors prepared in each cup. Step 1. Add 2 drops from the second cup, yellow plus red. Step 2. Add 2 drops from the third cup, yellow plus red plus blue. Step 3. Optional. To make the gold more transparent, add 2 drops from the fourth cup. Step 4. Testing the color and final adjustments. Point 1. If the color appears too bright, add a few drops from cup 3, yellow plus red plus blue, to balance the tone. 2. If the color seems too dark or opaque, add a few drops from cup 1, pure yellow, or cup 4, transparent gold, to lighten it. The goal of this step is to achieve a precise, natural, and vibrant gold color that looks great on the skin. Testing and final adjustments ensure the best results every time. This is the base color for gold, and you need to prepare several cups, adding yellow and red to each to create different tones of gold for gold tattoos. I hope this tutorial has helped you create a flawless and professional gold ink. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If you want to learn how to make skin tone, don't miss my video on how to make skin tone tattoo ink.